If your AT&T BGW210 router shows a solid red light, it usually means the gateway is not receiving a proper internet signal from the network. This warning light typically indicates a problem with the broadband connection rather than your Wi-Fi devices. The issue can sometimes be caused by a temporary service outage, loose cables, or a small system glitch inside the router. In fiber setups, the problem may also involve the optical network terminal that connects your home to the fiber line. Before assuming the router is faulty, it's best to go through a few quick checks that can often restore the connection and bring the router back online. Step 1. Check the AT&T outage map or app to see if there is a service outage in your area. Step 2. Turn off the BGW210 router, unplug it for about 1 minute, then power it back on. Step 3. Inspect all cables and make sure power, Ethernet, and broadband lines are firmly connected. Step 4. If you have fiber service, check the optical network terminal for warning lights. Step 5. Press and hold the reset button on the router for about 15 seconds to perform a factory reset. Step 6. Contact AT&T support if the red light remains after troubleshooting.